Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Send It Frankie's EMTB progression vlog. Alright, so we ran into a little bit of issue yesterday at Idlewild. I'll leave that video in the on top, in the link on the top, so you guys can check out that video on how I just completely broke my handlebars. Yesterday's progression videos topic was riding with precision, and I try to ride with precision, but then sometimes the brain doesn't register with the with the physical. So you want to, body's telling me that okay, you can do it, your brain's telling me no, but then somehow it got reversed, and I thought I can go through that little location, but no. So I ran through that area with some speed, and then bam, my hand just came out like this. You know what I'm saying? It's like over. So today, luckily, we have my original stock aluminum handlebars, and what we're gonna do today is we're gonna put these aluminum handlebars back on, and we're gonna cut them via the tube cutters. I also picked up some really cool spank grips, and pretty eager to see how they feel. And we're gonna do some just basic bike cleaning maintenance, cut the tubes, and then also I've got I picked up a chain checker from Park Tool, which is very important because once I set that chain checker in, I found out that Ellen's chain is like completely worn out. So we got a brand new chain for her in 11-speed GX chain, and we're gonna put that on. We're gonna fix my bike, gonna fix my handlebars and everything else, and then probably head out to ride tomorrow, because right now today it is at 100 and about 15 degrees everywhere, constantly. Fires on the mountains everywhere. So if we didn't ride early in the morning, like around 5 or 6 or 7, there's no way we can take an evening ride, because it's just so hot into the evening. It's just crazy hot. Once we're done maintenance their bike, we're gonna move on to day 2, and then onto the ride. So we're condensing 2 videos into one, this type of format. Let me know if you guys like this format, because it's just a really simple, basic video on. It's not really instructional. It's just showing you how I do it. By no means I am a professional in any of the things I do. So basically, so you know, this is just a lot of stuff is just for reference. If you're looking to just start your own bike maintaining yourself and just having fun, figuring things out. That's what my videos are usually about. So with that, we're gonna get to the fixing, and see you in a bit. First things first. Cheers. You guys have to know in advance, if you want to cut your own bars, is the length of your bar is very important, because from the stock settings, they have it at 800 millimeters, and I want my handlebars at 770 so that it's shorter. 800 is a little bit too wide for me because my shoulders aren't the widest. And you don't want to cut too much where you're too clumped up. But so what you want to do is you kind of want to just get to a feeling that you feel good. And you know, for me, 770 is perfect. So from 800, we want to cut 15 off of each side. And so we want to measure 15 millimeters on each side, make a mark, and then once we make a mark, we can use the tube cutter and we can start cutting it. Alright, so check it out. We got this side cut 15 millimeters. This side is also cut 15 millimeters. And I used a file to kind of sand down the edges so it's not so rough. Because every time after you cut it with this tool here, it leaves like a sharp edge. I'm not sure if that's good for the grips. Hopefully they are. So we're gonna now put this on the bike and get the bike going. Alright guys, we're finally done with the bike maintenance today. It's about approximately 8:30 at night. We had a little bit of dinner, few beers. It was actually a lot of fun. Always fun maintaining my own bike, even though a lot of people might think it's just tedious work, but it gets me to understand the bike a lot more, and it helps me to be able to diagnose problems or hear sounds on the trails. If something happens, I can try and do a quick fix myself. But any other than quick fixes myself, anything beyond that is beyond my powers. Then I have to take that to the bike shop. Right now we're about to shut today's vlog down, and we're about ready to head home, get a good night's rest, wake up early tomorrow morning and get an early ride. Woo! All right. Good morning, everyone. So after yesterday's tuning session at home, we got new grips. Ellen's got new chains. I got a new rear tire. Back to the stock aluminum handlebars. It's been a while since I've ridden aluminum handlebars, so kind of excited to see what it feels like. Whew. So today, since we're back in Santiago Oaks, the topic, EMTB progression topic of the day, is flow. So by flowing, I'm going to try and focus on putting more weight into my feet, digging into the dirt with turns, trying to really compress my bike through the turns. I really need to train that up. For those of you guys who've been riding through the whole week and the whole weekend, hope you guys had a great Labor Day weekend. Try to escape the heat in the early rides. I think 9 o'clock is the, right now it's 8. I think 9 o'clock is the cutoff time. 9:30, 10 is definitely cutoff. So we're gonna try and end this within an hour and a half. All right, we're gonna do waterfall again because this last time I did not get the full waterfall. Because Calvin reminded me that I did not get the full waterfall run. So we're gonna try and finish it today. I didn't get the bottom one. Thank you, Calvin, for reminding me. All right. If I remember correctly. Holy shit. Woo. Woo. Wow, very blown out, very. Woo. Woo. Whew. All right, this is the technical section we was talking about. All right. Whew. It looks like switch down to this lane. Whew. A little better angle for you guys. Just keep on going down. Ooh, it's a long technical lower section. I surely did miss this last time. Whew. This has in store for us. Whew. Wow. Oh, that looks gnarly. Whew. This technical section part looks pretty effing gnarly. Whew. All right, I don't know how I'm gonna get down this. I'm gonna try. middle. Woo. Oh man. Oh, I had foot down it. I did not 100% clear it. Oh, but that was totally worth the gnar. Woo! That was a lot of fun. If that is within your ability, guys, definitely come here and practice your rocky skills. There's a lot of trails like the secret trail I rode. It's got some crazy gnarly stuff like that. And what perfect place to train yourself to do that than what we just did here at Waterfall. Especially that last technical section. Thank you, Calvin, for reminding me. I did not finish that. And hope you guys like that section. The bike. Awesome. All right, guys, we are done with today, and hope you guys enjoyed the 2-day format. And why I love Santiago so much is because I can have a warm-up run with the wifey. She can practice her skills here without me fearing that she might run into something crazy, and then I can wander off and go do something like Waterfall. I mean, that really is the ultimate training ground location for us. Woo! I would say compared to Sky Park, Sky Park is pretty awesome too. Once you get advanced to jump line and comet, you can also warm up on sleigh ride. So it's comparable. I guess it's just different terrain, different weather. But overall, why is mountain biking so damn addictive? Worse than any drug I've ever taken. So with that, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. We'll be back tomorrow
I'm not sure what I'm gonna do tomorrow yet. Probably I'll hit up something Mount Wilson, like when it's not crazy hot. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and like, share, and subscribe. That's very important to my channel. Trying to get over 1,000 at 320 something. It's hard work, guys. You can see the revisions to my YouTube formats and a whole bunch of stuff. I gotta try out a lot of things to find something that works. So with that, hope you guys tune into the next episode. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.